beautiful day mga ka-AutoCAD. I'm here again. Here on our toolbox, we have tool menu here about our 3D modeling. So 3D modeling is there on our menu. We have the 3D basic from our previous tutorial. The tool of our workspaces today is on about 3D modeling. So switching from our 3D basic, now it is in 3D modeling. We have already drawing of a 3D sample, and then we have the polysolid, we have the press pull, we have all the smooth object and the rest of the solid editing that we mentioned on our and discussed already in our previous tutorial. But here now, let's have our extrude faces. But then when we use the extrude faces, if we have to have the sample on a comma 0 of a cylinder, let's have 50, and then let's have height in 50, and then we have two surfaces on our cylinder, the top and the bottom. So that's how we can use the example of the extrude faces. So when we use the extrude faces, we will change or reduce the height of the said object, which is the cylinder. When we select the surface on the top, let's give our value in 10 for the height and diminish the end of that cylinder in 5. So let's have that example. So when we use the extrude faces, let's try select these faces. Then this, enter, and then we have 20, and then let's have 5 for that. So we can see that the end of that cylinder reduces to that value. So we give already a surface here, and then we extrude again, and then let's try 30. That is the height that will change, and then we have that taper on the side or on the end of the cylinder. Let's have 4 or 5. That will be now the changes when we do the extrude faces on tapering. So meaning we diminish and we reduce the end of the cylinder on that top surface. So here again, let's try our view, and then I will try to get the bottom part by using our extrude faces. Let's have value of 30, and then we get the taper on the end 10. So that will be the reduced side of that bottom part of the cylinder. So when we check the value, we can see it is tapering smaller value than the existing size of the radius of the cylinder. How about a box example? So when we get the box, let's try lang any value, and then let's have our extrude faces. So when we get the extrude faces, we select this part, enter, and then let's have the height in 40, and then let's have 10 to reduce or diminish the end. So that will be the original side from this is 40, and then the taper on the end is diminished to 10. So again, if we want to use another side of the box, let's have extrude faces. Then select the surface of the 40, and then the extrude end diminish will 10. So that will be our object now in using our extrude faces. So meaning editing of a surface or a faces of our solid can be possible in our 3D editing object. So those are commands from our 3D Basic. Thank you all, guys. Let's have counting our blessing. Thank you, and like and subscribe my channel. God bless you.